Hello and welcome back to Qlik Finance course. In that video, we'll finish styling of our P&L report. So let's go to the P&L app and add settings of the P&L report. Let's go to Style and let's change our style list. Let's actually delete Green Day and all we've got here and create a new list. First will be the header. Let's make it the Helvetica and make the color kind of yellow. So we use this color. For the color of the font will be the same. Let's make the 2 pixels of the border and let's border the same color but a little bit darker. So put here, nice, let's copy and do it here again. And let's make it override column and name it a header. And also let's make it can be used by user. So we can apply the style in the UI. So here for gross, we apply it to their gross sales. Let's go back to our raw style list and create a new style. And let's call it no expand. So no expand will have the same values as default style, but the main difference is that it can not be expanded. So let's call it no expand. Next style is the bold. So it's just bold style. So the font color is bold. The font family will be Helvetica. And let's make the border 1 pixel and gray. Let's copy it and save. And the main difference that it can be expanded too. Okay. Let's name the style bold. Okay. Next style will be yellow. So we just call it by the background color. And font family, it will be Helvetica. And it will be the bold. Background color will be yellow. And let's make the same with the, as before, the background color of the border a little bit darker. Let's copy that and copy again in our border styles. And let's call it yellow. Let's not be expanded, override column user, and let's also can be used by user. And let's add intent to 5 pixels. Next will be the statistic. We use that style for our percentage rows. So it will be bold and this style of italic. It will be also Helvetica. And everything will be the same. Just let's make the bottom border 2 pixels and let's make it more darker. Okay, it also can be expanded on override column style and let's make can be used by user. And let's add intent to 20 pixels. And name it %. Next is the bold expand. So it's a bold color and it will be Helvetica. And the same, we just do the border a little bit darker than default. Okay, let's call it bold expand. Okay, then we add our three colored styles. The first will be the color and call it blue. The background color will be blue, as you expect, blue like that. The font color will be white, and it will be Helvetica. And here we just add the border of 2 pixels for white color. And let's make it not expanded, override, and also can be used by user. So let's call it blue color, blue style. Next will be the green. The same, their font color will be white, and it will be Helvetica. Oh, sorry. Yes, it will be Helvetica. Background color will be that nice green. So top border and bottom border, as we usually like. Let's make a little bit darker as their main color. 1, 2. Let's make it can be expanded, override, and can be used by user. And let's indent 5 pixels and call it green color. Okay. And last color will be red one. The same logic. Font family Helvetica. Background color is white. Font color is white and background color is nice red. I just copy the value here. So it's FF6D66. Let's save that. Let's name it red. It also can be expanded. It actually can be expanded as override column style and indent 5 pixels. Then let's change the header style. So the header style will be bold and font family will be Helvetic. Okay, let's go to our mappings. So we create all the styles and let's map them to the field. Go to raw style mapping. We before use account and account tool. Let's delete that and create new field. Select the PNL row number 1. Yep, and we map it by the value. So let's open and we can go to the mapping. Let's select their gross sales and let's apply the style of header. Okay, then let's select their discounts, and for discounts we just add no expand. For net invoice sales we also have not expand. Let's select all the data which is not expand, so it's net invoice sales, then it's return and adjustments, then it's standard cost of sales, that's the variance, then it will be their interest, and actually it will be the last either tax. So let's select no expand and apply that styles. So that fields will be not selected. Next will be their statistic. So let's go back again and select their group, our actual budget and compare measure, and actual year to date and budget year to date measure together. Let's go to edit sheet, go to measures and open master. Here we add measure group and call it current, and put here actual budget and actual budget compare measure. Okay, then we add measure group which is called year to date, and add here actual year to date and budget year to date. Okay, let's save and go to measure groups. Let's make the show group name true, and for the column label let's add the here the expression like that. So it will be mean value of year months, and concatenation, and max value of year months. Okay, and for the year to date, we just add the only max value of year months. Max value of year months. Okay, let's apply, and let's see our settings. So we need to update the app to see that measure groups. Okay, let's click here to clear all the measures, and you can see we have that measures with the link icon. It means that we have here the group measures. Let's put here current, and you can see we add all the measures which will group in that measure group. Let's add year to date, and we also add the dates. Let's here select the 2011 of the second month of 2011, or let's see when we actually have the dates, when we have the budget. Oh yeah, let's select 2011 and 8, and let's change the style of these measures and measure groups. Let's select current, and let's change it not from the blue to the gray color, which is select gray color here, make it 2 pixels, and the same with the year to date here, and let's make it 2 pixels and 2 pixels. So actually we've finished our styling, and after the lesson, actually you can play with the measures. We can add new measures, you can play the fonts, you can play with the colors. So we finished our P&L report. I'm super happy with that, and in next video we will make the conclusion of our course. So see you in next video.